Hello students, continuing with our video lecture series on digital logic families. We have studies about the different type of digital logic families like TTL, CMOS, ECL and other improved logic families. Now we are coming to the topic of interfacing of digital logic families. Now first we have studied TTL to CMOS. So here is the voltage level of TTL and CMOS. The both are showing our their high voltage level, low voltage level, and here also the high voltage level and low voltage level. When we are talking about interfacing of TTL to CMOS, these type of circuitry are used. In between, this one is the TTL series, this is the CMOS series, and in between both the pull-up resistor in applied, and it increases the high voltage level of TTL gate. So we get the high output of this TTL goes to the input in CMOS, and this pull-up resistor makes it high, so that because we know the quality of CMOS, it have high input impedance, so this is getting by this resistor. Now CMOS to TTL, for applying CMOS to TTL we can connect directly both of them, because the CMOS cannot sing the IIL required by TTL gate. So here is the CMOS and TTL, they both are connecting directly. And in CMOS to TTL you can also see the CMOS, and they applied a CMOS buffer, and then this circuitry applies to the TTL gate, and here is the value for interfacing considerations that we get for CMOS and for TTL here with their voltage levels parameters, like this one is VIH, VIL, VOH, VOL, IIH, IIL, IOH and IIL, and for all values supply voltage is 5 volt. So here for level shifting between these logic families, there is a level shifter IC is applied, and this level shifter IC can shift the output voltage up. Here is the second type of level shifter IC. In this, in previous one the input voltage is high, output voltage is low, so there is a low voltage is applied, and in next one the input voltage is low and output voltage is required high, so high output is applied to the level shifter IC. So these are the ECL interfacing, ECL to TTL and TTL to ECL interfacing. In these two IC, basically the level shifting is applied because ECL consumes very high power and TTL takes very low power. Thank you.